If you open your lunchbox and you find something like a whole orange like this, it's probably coming back home. To peel this is very messy, and you're probably not going to do that during work or school. So let's see how we can use our knife skills and break this down so that we get it in a form we can easily eat during the work or school day. We're just going to take off a small slice of the top and a small slice of the bottom. And what this does is create a stable place for us to work from. So now it's a solid surface and not rolling around on the board. Now using our claw, we're going to start here with our chef's knife and we're going to work down this orange and we're going to remove the peel. So I'm following this pattern with the back of my knife. And so I'm removing that outer peel. So we're going to cut this in half. And then we're going to take this half and cut it in 2 pieces. Stack this back up. Cut it 2 more times and move this to our container. So that's what we call a rough. I want to show you a more glamorous way to cut citrus for a nice salad or a presentation. And here I have a grapefruit, which is a great fruit to start with to do what we're calling segmenting it or supreming it. So again, we've tipped and tailed that. We're going to come and follow the grapefruit along just like we did the orange. Now I want to remove all of this white, and so I come back and clean it up just a bit to get all of this white off. I'm going to use a paring knife to do actually the segmenting. And so I'm going in between the segments here and I'm popping out the segment. Go right around the grapefruit and keep popping out these segments. You can do this with any citrus, but if you're just getting started, I suggest starting with a grapefruit. As you go, you're moving this over and you're holding these membranes down with your left thumb, and you see there's another little membrane that I need to cut. So now we're just going to squeeze this into the container. So we have all of that grapefruit juice that we're saving as well. So now what's left is the membrane. For recipes using citrus and other fruits and vegetables, check out the website below. I'm Carolyn Dunn. Thanks for joining us in Homegrown in the Kitchen.